Hello. You know, there are a lot of remedies for cleaning clogged or stopped drains, including chemicals, snake or cable equipment, spot repairs, or a complete line replacement, depending upon the type of stoppage. At Bayonet, we'll clear any drain, anytime for only $99. We need to start with a caution. Using harsh, toxic, off-the-shelf products to clear a clogged drain is not only harmful and damaging to your plumbing system, but can be dangerous to your family as well. The safest and most effective way to clear a drain is to have a professional use a snake or cable to remove the stoppage. After we remove a stoppage, we'll use sophisticated video inspection equipment to determine the root cause. In the event that your sewer or drain cannot be cleared, you may need a spot repair or a section of pipe replaced. We can diagnose the problem and fix it right the first time. Lastly, if cabling cannot clear your sewer, you may need to have the line replaced altogether. We can help you with that too. Our experienced technicians can excavate, install, and clean up the work so that it looks like we were never there in the first place. Regardless of your problem, Bayonet can eliminate any stoppage in your plumbing system with our affordable and effective drain cleaning service. We're a locally owned and operated company who's been in business since 1978. Ask around. You won't have to go far to find someone who's had a great experience and saved money with Bayonet. Give us a call or contact us online anytime, night or day.